The TrickleStar portal allows you to configure system alerts and reminders for your water heater controller. To configure alerts and reminders, go to your water heater controller page. Click Services on the left side menu. On the Alerts tab, you can set the low temperature threshold to receive notifications on your mobile phone. You may select the set point from the drop-down list, or check the checkbox to use the same set point as the safety minimum temperature set point. On the Reminders tab, you can set the duration to receive water heater maintenance reminders on your mobile phone. Select the appropriate duration from the options in the drop-down list.